So RevOps, we've seen this thing called RevOps emerge. Most of us knew about sales ops earlier in our career, and we thought we were headed and we were going to just sail through our careers and retire as heads of sales operations. And this thing called RevOps emerged in the last number of years. Serious Decisions defines it as the combination of marketing automation, sales operations, sales enablement, and customer success. I'm curious within your organizations how that you define this. Perhaps we could start with Kate.
Sure. So it's been a real evolution at my company. Ironically, last week, my title actually changed to revenue operations. It has been, yeah, I know. It had been sales operations, and but last week it changed. And when the structure that we have today, I report into the chief revenue officer, which is kind of what is driving that change in our company. We do have a marketing department that marketing operation lives there, but there is an extremely close relationship and partnership that we have with our marketing team. We are really true partners, and we work on things together. And then under the sales organization, we have revenue operations, and we have customer success, and then we have our sales team. And within revenue operations, I should say, even I'm mixing up sales ops and RevOps, it's so new, is that we also have sales enablement that lives on my team. So it's been an evolution to get to this point. We're kind of still in this hybrid space where how you defined it is we're not quite there yet, but that's kind of the structure that we have today. But again, it's all reliant on really close partnerships across not only marketing, but finance and all the other departments.
Justin, how about for your organization?
Yeah, great. So I'll tell you where I fit in first. I'm the VP of Process Innovation and Analytics. For us, that means 3 teams. It's enterprise applications, so all of the systems that are used to support our marketing and sales teams. And then it's analytics engineering, and then IT systems and IT help desk. And my team rolls up into the engineering organization. But there is also an EVP of revenue, and within that revenue organization, there's sales ops, marketing ops, B2B marketing, sales enablement, etc. And so while I wouldn't say that we've got a strictly defined RevOps function, it's clearly the combination of those different roles are working closer and closer together. And then what's happening is that from a systems side, we're blending further upstream, not just being service takers from those organizations and saying, what do you need? Yes, we can help you set up users, put a system in place, etc. But we're really trying to help drive process innovation within those parts of the organization. So I think we're also on the evolution of the RevOps evolution, and it's so clear that certain individuals work their way into those RevOps functions, which is really the glue I find between the different functions. And we're seeing that emerge also. There'll be, a few individuals who are just the key people to go to for blending marketing ops and sales ops, or launching a new product and making sure that it's working through the funnel. So definitely making great strides in the definition of what RevOps looks like at CarGurus.
Wow, that's amazing. How about for you, Heidi?
I report to the CFO, and when I started 4 months ago, the position was actually for sales ops. And I told them if I were to move forward, I would like the title to be revenue operations, because I want to be accountable for the full funnel. I did not want to be siloed into this little portion when it's so important to bridge the gaps between the entire customer journey. So everyone was happy to hear that. It worked out well. And then my team is made up of deal desk, BI analyst, Salesforce system administrator, sales ops analyst. We cover CS ops and partner and alliance ops as well.
All right, so I think what we can take away from question number 1 is that there are a lot of shapes and sizes to this thing called RevOps, and that it's still evolving within each of our organizations. Well, great, thank you.